Welcome to the Franklin Park Public Library. I'm Miss Laura, and this is Little Red Riding Hood Fairy Tale Problem Solving STEM Kit, brought to you by Lakeshore. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl named Little Red Riding Hood. One day, her mother filled a basket with apples for Little Red Riding Hood to take to her grandma. As she was walking along a trail through the forest, Little Red Riding Hood came across a man cutting wood. "Be careful on the way to your grandma's," the woodsman said. "A hungry wolf lives in this forest." But the wolf was secretly listening to every word. He saw Little Red Riding Hood's apples and wanted to eat all of them. And the little girl, too. "Her going to her grandma's, is she?" thought the wolf. "Ah, I will get there first, and they'll be in for a big surprise." When the wolf got to Grandma's house, he stuck the old woman in a closet and lay in her bed. Little Red Riding Hood arrived and said, "My, what big teeth you have, Grandma." "All the better to eat you with," said the wolf. The wolf jumped out of the bed and ripped the basket of apples apart with his teeth. Hearing Little Red Riding Hood's screams, the woodsman rushed in and chased the wolf away. Everyone was safe. Now here's the challenge. Can you build Little Red Riding Hood a new basket to hold all the apples? Be sure to watch the next 2 videos coming up in this playlist. The next video shows how to use the Little Red Riding Hood Fairy Tale Problem Solving STEM Kit to challenge yourself to build a basket that will hold all of Little Red Riding Hood's apples so that the wolf can't get to them. And the video after that shows how to use your grab-and-go kit to create your own basket out of a paper plate and string. If you would like to check out the Little Red Riding Hood Fairy Tale Problem Solving STEM Kit or any other STEM kit that we have available for checkout at the Franklin Park Public Library, be sure to check out the links posted below this video. Thank you for watching and have fun!